Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to use the packages in Writix. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar section. Click on the Packages tab. You can search for packages here. And here you can see the total packages. You can see all the packages here. You can generate content by selecting any package from here. We will select the packages to generate content. You can see the package's title and description. You need to add this information once in the packages. Once you add the information, you can generate content with one click. Next, we have to add package details here. Fill in all your package details. Then click on the Save and Continue button to create a package. You can see here the workloads of all the packages. You can generate content by selecting the workload here. Click on the Generate button. If you want, you can change this prompt. Then choose an AI model. I am selecting a model to generate content. And select a content response language. Click on the Generate button to generate content. This is the generated content according to your input. There are two buttons available at the bottom. The first is the Text Copy button, and the second is the Text Download File button. Click on the Copy button to copy the content and use it, and click on the Download button to download the file. You can regenerate the model response by clicking on the Regenerate button. That's how easy it is to use the packages in Writix. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.